Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to apply Walmart promo codes to purchases. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the search where you can search for everything at Walmart online and in store. In the top right corner, we have your items, account, and your shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and apply Walmart promo codes to purchases. So applying Walmart promo codes to your purchases is straightforward. And here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, of course, log into your account and then items to your cart. So go to the search bar, click, for instance, Halloween basket, or anything of course that you want to go and add. And then when it pops out, find the item of course that you want and click add. And it will be in your top right corner here in your checkout bag. So as you can see, then proceed to checkout, click on the cart icon at the top right corner, click on continue checkout, enter the promo code on the checkout page, complete your purchase. If the promo code is valid, the discount will be applied to your total. You can then proceed to complete your purchase. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.